Hello and welcome to Car Lube. Last week I had an MOT on my BMW M3. Then today I suddenly noticed the service light indicator was displaying on my Idrive. Well, my car doesn't need a service. This is actually a reminder indicator that the MOT is due. So in this video I will take you through the steps required to reset this interval for another year. So first put the key in ignition like this, press the start button and you'll get a service light on there and one on there. Now the reason for this is the car doesn't actually need a service, but I had an MOT last week and the yearly counter wasn't reset. So we're going to have a look and see if we can fix that today. Menu screen, go to settings, or even vehicle information might be the one to go with. Vehicle status, it's telling me here nothing of interest. Tyre pressures are fine, engine oil is fine, service required. So click on here and it says here service inspection, so I'm going to click on that and we've got a date here which is obviously March 2018. I'm going to change that to, let's press that again, to 2019 because that's the next MOT date for my car. Press confirm and that should be fixed. So we come out of there, go back, and we've got no warnings now. So that job is absolutely fine. I hope you found this video informative and it saves you the task of having to ask everybody how to turn off this light. And if you did, give it a like. Please also browse the Car Lube channel and thank you for watching. We are going to change one of the front ABS speed sensors on my M3. In my experience, having changed all four sensors, I can tell you they are very fragile. So if you get a warning light on the dashboard like this, most of the time it will be the ABS speed sensor which is at fault. It's a good idea to plug in a fault reader to tell you which one is faulty, as there are four.